Welcome to the AccuWeb Cloud video tutorial. Today, we will learn how to set automatic horizontal scaling for an environment in AccuWeb Cloud. To start, log into your AccuWeb Cloud account and choose the environment where you want to apply automatic horizontal scaling. In this example, we have selected AccuWeb WordPress environment. Click on the settings icon and a window will appear at the bottom of the screen. Select Auto Horizontal Scaling. Here, you will find a list of scaling triggers for the current environment. To create a new trigger, click on the Add button. Choose the required environment layer from the drop-down list and choose the resource type to monitor via one of the appropriate tabs such as CPU, Memory, Network, Disk I/O, or Disk IOPS. In our example, we are selecting automatic horizontal scaling for the application server. Each trigger can have conditions to add or remove nodes, which can be enabled with the corresponding checkboxes right before the title. Check the Add Nodes box to automatically add a node when traffic spikes. In the field when loading is more than, select the upper limit in percentage for the average load. That is, it executes the trigger if exceeded. Here, we have selected 85% as an example. If the usage exceeds to 85%, then one node will be added automatically to the application server. In the field for at least, enter the number of minutes the average consumption is calculated for up to 1 hour with a 5-minute step, that is 1, 5, 10, 15, etc. In the field Scale Out to, the maximum number of nodes for the layer that can be configured due to automatic horizontal scaling. In the Node Scale By, enter the number of nodes that are to be added at a time upon the trigger's execution. Similarly, check the Remove Nodes box to remove a node automatically during normal traffic. In the field when loading is less than, select the lower limit in percentage for the average load. That is, it executes the trigger if the usage is less than the percent mentioned in the field. Here, we have selected 25% as an example. If the usage is less than 25%, then one node will be removed automatically to the application server. In the field for at least, enter the number of minutes the average consumption is calculated for up to 1 hour with a 5-minute step, that is, 1, 5, 10, 15, etc. In the field Scale Into, the minimum number of nodes for the layer that can be configured due to automatic horizontal scaling. In the Node Scale By, enter the count of nodes that are to be removed at a time upon trigger's execution. You automatically receive an email notification on the configured auto horizontal scaling trigger activity by default. However, if needed, you can disable it with the appropriate Send Email Notification switcher. Important note: when configuring a trigger, we recommend taking into consideration the scaling mode of the layer. For example, you should set a lower loading percent in the Add Nodes trigger for the stateful mode, as content cloning requires some time, especially for containers with a lot of data, and you can reach the resource limit before a new node is created. Click on the Add button to add a trigger for CPU usage. Once you click on the Add button, the trigger will be added and listed under the Auto Horizontal Scaling window. You will also get information about which application and resources you have created the trigger for. In the History tab, you can view the history of scaling triggers execution for a particular environment. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to set automatic horizontal scaling in AccuWeb Cloud. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy-to-understand technical videos published by AccuWeb Cloud. Thank you for watching.